Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a John Deere commercial walk-behind 48-inch cut. It's a HD75. They were complaining about the electric PTO clutch wasn't working right, and they wanted to get the motor so it runs a bit better. So I'm sure the carburetor might be a little bit dirty or something. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, for starters, the battery's totally dead. I charged it up for about 5 hours. They just don't take a charge. The ends are really corroded really bad, so we're going to put new battery cable ends on it, and we're going to put a new battery on there. We're going to put some new copper ends on it. I'll get some solder on there. Put a little flux on there. I'll go and put a 300 cranking amp battery in here. I took the cover off the top of the deck. They said maybe the PTO clutch was getting bad because it wasn't cutting right. But after further inspection, these belts are just all wore out and loose. So we definitely got to replace the belts, but there could be like a weak springer, so the belts are just that stretched out, one of the two. So I'm going to run to the John Deere dealer, see if they have some belts for this thing. See if we can get this fixed up. Okay, we're going to take these covers off the belt. The spring still works, it's just the belts is all stretched out. And plus it's off this pulley over here. Going to take the other side off here. Pretty bad shape. Clean all this debris off there. I'm going to grease these zerks really, really good. The belts ain't going to be here for a couple days, so we'll do everything else to it till we get the belts. Go ahead and change the spark plug out. There's a whole bunch of dirt in there. It's going to blow out around the spark plug. So we take the plug out and none of that dirt gets into the cylinder. See all that dirt coming out? You don't want none of that getting into the cylinder, even on the threads, because you could ruin the threads. So NGK BPR5ES is what they have in there. And make sure you gap it to like about 35 thousandths. Let's change the oil filter too. We're going to take the bowl off the carburetor and see what it looks like inside. Okay, I'll put the new oil filter in. And we got a new air filter. I'll add the oil to it now. We're using the 1030 oil. I'm gonna put like about 1.5 quarts in it and check it. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for the belts and finish it up. Well, the belts for that John Deere HD75 finally came in today, so we finally finish it up. And then you got a diagram on the deck on how to put these on. Got the bottom one on there. A lot better than that old belt. Okay, I'm gonna jack the front end up a little bit so I can get the other belt on the PTO clutch there. And if there's any pins hanging down, make sure it goes between the pulley and the pins so you don't tear your belt up. And just spin around there. That wasn't too bad. Now we can lower it down and put the covers back on. That one goes on that side. Now we can put the top cover on. Okay, all you gotta do is put some gas in it. Well, let's try starting this. Let's put some fresh premium in it, so let's give her a try here. Pull the choke out. Well, there you go. It seems to run pretty doggone good. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a good afternoon.